Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another trading day. Here we are. It's Friday. It's Friday and we're here again. We're here again. We're here again. Ending the week, a 4-day week, trading week. Welcome to the Zen Zone Zoom live momentum penny stocks. We're going to look to see if we could find some runners, some momentum this morning. Just let me know if you see anything. All right. Appreciate that. Just put it in the chat here. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. Computer's a little bit slow today. What's going on? It's cold outside. Experiencing cold weather in this side of town. And just getting up, guys. You know, I may not sound the best right now. Woo! But I'm here. Woo! I'm here. Gotta pump it up. Pump it up. All right. If you'd like to follow us, just look in the bio. Follow all the links. We are on all social media, not all, but majority of the social media out there. Just hit the follow button. Okay. Appreciate it. Instagram, X, Facebook. All right. Lemonade. That's the new one now. We out there. Also check out our store as well. Check out our merch at thezenzonestore.com. There you go in the link there. And don't forget, we got all the 5 keys here to trading. That's what I look at. That's what I look at, the 5 keys here, and try to stick to these 5 keys here. Najib, good morning. How you doing? And also, if you're not yet trading yet, and you want to get some free stocks, just hit the link that's in the chat here. You get free stocks, okay? Just hit that refer link, and then you should get hooked up. You pick any one of those ones you want. All right. Najib says FINC. Or that you were saying, what? Let's see here. Let's look at that. Not much there at the moment. Let me get my glasses on. Let me get my other laptop open here. Everybody's up early this morning, huh? We up, we here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see if we could find something in the market. Yeah, I got you. I got you. I don't see anything right now. If I'm looking at the RSI here right now, it's on the way down. I'll go out 30 minutes. It's up top here. It's up and up. It's go. Yeah. Came down to $6 and have a couple pullbacks, but it's on the rise. It's underneath the RSI 70 and underneath the VWAP here at the moment. So anything, it would have to be over this 775, right over the top, 764. but I would wait to see what it does at 775. Got a big support here at 735 here. So I would just watch that if that's something you want to trade. Okay. FLNC. Thank you for that one. All right. And again, ladies and gentlemen, if you're on the first time, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when we are live. Okay. And again, I see a thing on, I think YouTube, having your headphones over your head like that. You got that headphone indent in your head. I never used to like wear my headphones like that. Anyway, I'll either wear it in front of me or in the back of me like that. I always like to wear my headphones like that, you know. So you wear it how you feel comfortable wearing it. All right. But that's a thing. I heard it's a thing. All right, let's get into some stuff here. Good morning, Rob. How you doing today?
Good morning, Steve. Good. How are you?
Good,
Happy
good.
Friday.
Happy Friday to you too, man. What a week, man. 4 day.
Yeah.
It was a 4 day week.
Yeah. It's a 4 day week, short week.
Did you get back to anything yesterday?
No, no. I went to work and came back only at 5. I
Yeah,
didn't look up, but I looked up. It didn't do much, right?
right.
Yeah. I saw Tesla SPY and all day was we go up and just
Yeah.
going sideways.
I mean, SO spiked yesterday and you dropped at close. So so those were Baba. Baba went up and up through that 135, right? It hit our target, so that was cool. And Walmart,
Walmart dropped yesterday.
yeah, it dropped. Um, it dropped. Let me see when. It dropped at 7 o'clock, Walmart, and they stayed. This was Walmart. This was Walmart. Dropped, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And came back right in this area here on Walmart. So it's coming back down here, 97. Look at that big drop here. So we're 97.60. I would watch Walmart at 97.60.
Mhm.
Okay. RGTI, we could go back and see what's that's all about. Here it is. Coming up. Nice break there. Ooh. It's gonna look sweet at that 1170. We could watch RGTI.
That's our old stock. Okay. GTI.
RGTI already. Get the morning start. Get the morning started. RGTI over 1170. So RGTI over 1170. If we go back here, that would be a neckline here, right? So I'll keep eye on that RGTI. MLGO. Yeah. To watch test that 450, 435 up here. 435. These numbers are gone. IA. US gold. US gold. Wow. Something to keep an eye on, right? It's been up, right? The trend is up. Something to keep an eye on. Having trouble breaking though. Broke. Having trouble breaking this level here. Every time it gets there, it get rejected. But it's on the up. Five. Watch that. IA UX. IA UX. OPTT. I don't see nothing there. Get reject a couple of times, right? Nothing here today. Big gap up, pull right back. Got to get over that. Push that top now. That $1. So anything over that $1 again, going up. SLRN. 260. We've been here before. So keep you could keep an eye on that. SLRN. TANH. Still waiting for that $4 break up here, right? Let's put that up at the top here. We can watch a VWAP break coming up, right? 432. 432. And short underneath that. I'm gonna say $3. I like that $3, that even number $3. Okay. So that would be TN, TNH, TANH, FFIE. Nothing there. FFIE. You could watch that 175 up there on FFIE. Nothing going on right now. I got MLGO. See what's going on with that. Nothing with that. Still sitting there on NAS. ASS 280 over the top here. Got some support here. Sitting on top of the VWAP now though, but got some action in here this morning. So that's what's going on with that one here. 288. So watch that. All right. Watch that. VWAP here. And again, if you see something, just let us know here. Pushing off the VWAP here. We need some more volume in that to get higher. IONQ.
Hey, look, MGTX.
MGTX. Oh, hold on here. Watch this one here. Over 35.
MGTX. No, it is below VWAP. It may come up later.
Over 35 here. Oh, as we speak, 35 is getting broken right now. 35 is getting broken right now. I like that. You could watch that. Short. Come back down here. You could watch that. 37 around 37 around 50 here. 34.50. You know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you don't have to say it. I already tell you. I like that.
Ooh,
Really nice pop there. Nice pop on that one. Uh, nice. For you out there, IONQ.
RG, RGTI, RGTI.
RGTI pop. It's coming up.
Yeah, 70,
RGTI.
70.
Okay. I didn't get this yesterday. Let's see if we could get it through here. Oh, look at that. Right on the money I got. It must be Friday. It must be Friday. Must be Friday. All right, we could watch this for a little bit. I didn't get into that other one you were telling me yet.
No, that's okay. No, that didn't do anything.
That one was good. IONQ.
What is RGTI target?
Let's look here.
12,
Yep, you got it, buddy. You got it.
1190.
INQ, man. INQ. That was one that was surely missed. It didn't pull back. Keep an eye on IONQ. We got pulled back there. We're gonna need some volume to come in. So INQ and RGTI. Those are the two focus right now. We need those to run. We're writing RGTI. INQ pull back to 35.20. 35 was the entry. Pull back around there. You could definitely have another hit at it. INQ. Oh, my stop loss here on RGTI, right? Looking wants to make a double top. IO and Q. We got a little, oh, oh man, as soon as I come back, it pop again, right? Gotta wait now. Gotta wait. Out by 23 cents. That pullback, that was it right here.
Yeah.
Just as I changed to come back up, it popped. So I would continue with the hold on if you're already in it, good for you. Anyone that already got it. I'm waiting for our RGTI to pop. So those two right now, we got two going. That's keep looking. NA NAS coming up. We could watch NASS at that 282. Okay. I like that pop in RGTI. I like that. Just need to get a little bit more out of that, and then we'll be good. NASS. I need some more to get to that 280. And if you're just joining us, thank you for stopping by. Um, how you know I'm going long, how you know I'm going short, green mean long, red mean short. The white lines here are always my stop loss. Okay. IONQ pulled back. So do RGTI at the top here, 730. Again, if we scalping, we just gotta have to scalp, right? RGTI pulling back. So, but I will be keeping my eye on this one now. That one pulled back. Gotta heed to that stop loss, right? Could have hold it down here, but it's Friday. I'm gonna minimize my losses. Watch that pullback. We keep hunting. My eyes are still on that. I need it over that 1170. You nice gap up to the VWAP. You and nothing holding it right now. You 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 2650 2650 short. 2650. 12, 12, 12. 12 is my target on RGTI. Yes, it's pullback. Got stopped out. With these momentum stocks, I try to keep tight stop loss. Okay. MYM. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah, I try to keep tight stop loss, yeah. Plus, it's above the VWAP. As you could see, it made a double top above the RSI 70. So the volume is not in it. We try to get it off this level here. You go back to RGTI. See, we try to ride this trend here. Okay. And again, if you could scalp it, if you was able to get out on the way up, when it came up and get out, we were in the green. Should have got out, take it out, rinse and repeat again one more time. But if you were able to get out, that was my stop loss. As you see, come down, stop me out. Okay. Could I have given it down here and still haven't got stopped out and see what the opportunity is? But here we go. Double top, pull back. Now we're going to have to see where it goes. It could come right back down here to this level, support level here. And then after that, what happened? That probably could meet VWAP. The reason why I went long there is because of this area here yesterday, right? Tested a couple times. See how many times it break down here and retest this level several times yesterday. Okay, right here didn't quite make it, but that's the reason why I went for it here. And we were green. I was green, but again, didn't get out. So now we have a pullback. Okay, double top, double top. All right, see where it goes. If you're going to use VWAP support, right? There's an opportunity here if it's going to come down here. All right, support here. It's going to be above the VWAP. So if you use the VWAP bounce or break the VWAP and down, you have another opportunity. Right there, support between here and here, and then the bottom. But I'm looking for it to break here again because it tested so many times yesterday, right? Other than this breakdown here before opening. Okay, so I'll keep eye on. It's on my chart. But that's how I would look at that. Okay, we got one here now. Lead on this one here. Here we go. Yeah, we got to get over this level here. A lot of top there. $150. That's one there. Catch it. Yeah, we catch it. Come on, don't start this mess here now. Come on, don't start this mess. To this level. Stop loss here. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Now you now you're selling me that. These are quick guys. In and out. You gotta be quick. Closing using this level here as my stop loss here, the bottom of this candle here for my stop loss coming into today. Just to give it a chance. VMR. Beautiful, looking good. Looking good. Looking good. And I'm gonna take some out of that up here. Come on. All right, nice. Take some out. That's what you gotta do. In, out. We already way above the RSI 70. Let the rest ride on that. MLGO. See what's going on with that. Nothing. Nothing on RGTI, pulling back a little bit. Trying to find support. Trying to find support at 1155. VMAR pulling back some. Nothing there now. Nothing on NAS. Gotta be watching several. And if you'd like to come in our Discord, just hit the links in my bio. Follow us on all social media or in the chat here. We got the link in the chat here. Nas is sitting on top of the VWAP here. Hey, saying long or short on which one? Long or short on which one? Pre-market you use limit order. Limit order. MY, M, the SPY. I follow the SPY, use it as a gauge. I've always asked why I don't trade it. I just don't know why. This is the SPY right now. No volume in the SPY. 613 on the SPY, as you could see. Got to get over 613 on the SPY here, right? 613.23. Here we're sitting on it. The next break, resistance here would be 612, right? So like $1, right? Watch VMAR pulling back down now. So I'm gonna get out of that. All right, so that you have to get out of. So my stop loss is down there. So this is the SPY here, okay? As you could see, VMAR. If you're looking at the SPY, this is that level needs to be broken, right? You got one right here. Look how tight that is, 611.20, right? So you got 611.20, right? This area here, right? Go back to 5 minutes. So you need to break this area here up top, right? You need to break that. That would be 612. And you need to get to 613.25, right? If the SPY is going to move today, and right now it's sitting below the 70 RSI. Look at it. Try to several times, right? Look at it. It broke it yesterday, right? Nope, didn't break it. Try to. It's not even close. Okay, on the 19th, it broke it, right? Broke it on the 19th. The 18th before closing it broke it, but and then we got a big pop at 4 o'clock with that gap up, right? So that's how the SPY is operating right now. So if I'm gonna do the SPY, that's what I would do. 610.40 back down. I think we had did something on this one, 30 minutes here. Here, on the 14th, 2/14. That's why we have these two lines here on the SPY right here. This level here and this level here on the 14th. So that's why you see those two yellow lines, neckline to the top to break up. So on the way back down, I'll be looking at this level here. There's 610.40 and there's 610, right? So 40 cents in between here, right? And if it's coming down hard, you know it's gonna come down like this, right? Or a big candle, boom, boom. Try to find some support, or it's just gonna come straight down. Give it all up. All right. So if you're watching the SPY MYM, this area I would be looking at that 610 on the way back down and 610.40. Capiche? All right. Nothing else I see. That's cool, man. Some people just watch one stock and just look for opportunities to trade it. Okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that. The SPY does move. Every once in a while I get in on the SPY, not all the time. But it's just my gauge to let me know how the market is doing. We searching. We searching. If you see anything, let me know. Let's put it in the chat here. VMAR came all the way back down. Coming down, broke the 70 RSI on the way down. Remember POYU? Nothing there. Long is like buying the stock going long, right? Ace hand, and short is going down. So that's how I play. Long is you going long, right? And that's just, you know, and in my order block is buy or sell. That's how I use it. Good morning, Yasin. Welcome back, buddy. Absolutely. In my order block, I don't know how you have it, but it's set up as buy is long for me and sell is short. I don't know how you got set up. So long would be going long, buying long. And if that's a setup you have, and then short would be going down. Okay. Glad to see you, Yasin. No worries, buddy. That's what I'm here for, man. And we got a lot of videos. I got a lot of videos out there showing some of my stuff. So if you do want to go into those videos, now I'm just kind of dedicate more like showing you guys the technical part of it, you know. And if you want to join the Discord, just hit the Discord. Come on in. I do one-on-one if you like, you know. If you want to come in one-on-one, I have that in the Discord. Just go in and hit the Discord link. I'll show you what I do. I mean, I show it every day, but on a personal level, you could get that as well. You know, you could ask questions. You could, we could chart up, go through live market. It's kind of better to go through the live market so you could see what I'm talking about, so you could understand it as well. If you don't want to go through the live market, we could go through it after the market is closed. You just have to set it up, and you could find how to set it up through the Discord link that we have. Okay, Ace? But there's a lot of videos out there that I put out there. A lot. APLD? Oh man. Thank you, Yasin. That was yesterday too. APLD was wild yesterday. Look at that. A lot of volume in it yesterday. Yeah, 1050, absolutely, brother. I'm with you on that one. That 850 we missed the other day. 1050 for sure. Got to get up there. And it moves like in, yeah, 20 cents. You definitely could get 20 cents out of this if you're going to try to scalp it up. Keep eye on that for sure. I would. I'll put it in the chat there. Yeah, it definitely was crazy yesterday on that. There's a level right here coming back down. If it ever break this level here, got a level here. Got a level here on that. Yes, in. I would treat it like that. And again, if you follow me, you'll know that these yellow line always mean a neckline. Okay, anytime you see these yellow line on my chart, you know there's a neckline area need to be broken. Okay. And then you got this level here. All right. You got this level here now, right? Right, and so forth. That's how I would break this down. Okay. If you miss this entry, then you would wait for this one. Target on the way down, breakout, and away she goes, right? Anything over that 1050, she's gone, right? Nothing holding it after that. All right, so let's put that in here as APLD. Anything over 1050? Type that on there. And again, I'm not the best typer in here. That's just one skill I didn't acquire. okay? But I do get it in, right? Boom, boom. All right, so APLD, anything over 1050, you could look at that, wait for that, and then anything underneath that 1012, look at that area here. VMR, see what's going on with that. Came down here. Hit our target, we out, right? Came down and touched this level here. So this is what it came down here. Use this support here. Look at that, right? Here's a little one right here. Have to do something like this to come back up, right? So here, look at that there. Came down, broke that. I'm just always looking for opportunities, right? That's what I'm looking for, right? This is it. MLGO, just keep eye on MLGO, right? Boom, that would be another short going down, right? So neckline, it's already broke that. Stretch this out. Here's another level here that needs to be broken, right? So if you had entered here, then this would have been your target here, right? Just going by yesterday's levels, right? One. Okay, so this level needs to be broken, and then you got the VWAP here. So be careful you don't get a VWAP rejection. Look, we need to come up, break through that 70 RSI again. And again, if it comes back up to this level, you could watch for a double top, creating a double top, or it's going to go. That's the only thing that's going to happen. Either it's going to break this and keep on running, or come back up here and make a double top, come right back down, okay? So just watch that. Keep that in mind, all right? You could watch it. IQ, IONQ, coming back up, testing again. All right, again. Breaking. Just watch that level there. Keep that. We're up 35. I wanted 35, right? I say I did. Look at that little double top right here, right? Look at this one right here. Look at this little one right here. Yeah, look at that. All right. So pay attention to that. Boom, boom. That's why you see I don't have too much signal on my chart. I keep it nice and clean with the RSI, and that's it. Keep that. We haven't traded this one in a while. HOLO. Hollow. Hollow breakdown. All right. Hollow underneath the bottom here. VWAP on hollow, right? Hollow short. All right. Hollow over the top here. Let it come to the VWAP. When it comes to the VWAP, right? 165. So I would treat HOLO 165. HOLO. Again, if you're new to the channel, come on in. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live. And also just leave me a thumbs up, right? Thumbs ups are free. I mean, don't cost you anything to hit a thumbs up. It don't cost you anything to hit the subscribe button, right? The notification bell, right? Okay, VRM. Got to get through that VWAP there, right? Getting some volume coming in on that. Keep an eye on that, right? From GLO, ML. Nothing there, sitting on the VWAP, just hugging it. MNDR, that was yesterday. MNDR was great yesterday. Look at that. Broke out, right? 8 o'clock. So just be careful. Watch that 8 o'clock move in 2 minutes. Nothing on the SPY though. No volume on the SPY. Oh, damn. Keep an eye on that. VWAP, there's an opportunity here at VWAP. This opportunity right here. All right. Right there. So we'll watch that 72 cents. I'll watch that 72 cents there. There's an opportunity here at the VWAP here. If I'm looking at it through this lens right here. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. I'm looking at through this lens here. VWAP is down. Everything is spiking down. Just be careful, guys. 8 o'clock. SPY. What a big spike on the SPY there. IONQ spike up above and look at the SPY now, right? MYM, look at the SPY now, right? Very choppy. Just wait. Just wait till the fuss is all over at 8 o'clock. Everybody's selling out, doing what they doing. Just be patient. Bitcoin is up $700 right now. Got to break that 611 up here. Wow, look at Tesla. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Going crazy. Look at that spike on Tesla. Nice break here on Tesla. On LTBR here. We'll go SMCI. See what's going on with SMCI. SMCI got to get over the top here. 61. I want to see what 61 look like. See right here. Put it at 60, 80. Yeah. SMCI, you could watch that 60, 80 there, right? All right, so I would watch that level there on SMCI. Okay. I got shares of coin popping. Ooh, coin popping. Coin popping. Coin popping. Bitcoin break 100 today. Coin. Coin. Oh, come on. Come on. That's quick, man. Look at that. I'm not even gonna go for that now. Missed the train. Missed the train on that one.
$7 like crazy.
That's crazy. Absolutely. That was a nice pop there on coin. Keep going. I don't do puts or call though on the SPY. I don't do options. That was a great trade right there. Bam. I just didn't get fill on that. That would have been great. Bitcoin is up. There's a resistance here. Already broke through that one. There's one more here. Breaking that, right? And this level got to get over here. So coin got to break over that to go higher. So right now, coin got to break this. I would say get over 269 with volume over 269.
Tesla. Tesla.
If we test coin right here. Oh, that's not where I want it. Get out of here. I'm not gonna go there. Get out of here. Trying to give me that low. You crazy. Come on, coin. You see where we try to give me that? So that's breakthrough, next level, up and up coin. I'm not gonna chase it now twice. They gave me wrong entry. No way. Tesla. Again, Tesla broke, right?
Yeah.
I only do MYM. I only do the stock part of the SPY, right? So I don't do puts and calls. I don't do options. You'll get the 11. Here it was on Tesla, 354.80 break, right? Target, okay? The next break is going to be up here to see if it have enough strength to break through here. Okay, 35, 358.18. You could round that off to 358.20. But twice I missed coin. I'm not going to chase it now.
MSTR is running as well.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice. You know, there were some runners here. Next level. Just 8 o'clock. Bitcoin got to break 100,000 for continuation up here. Okay. We're way above the overbought now on MSDR as well as coin, right? So at some point you're gonna look for a pullback. All right. They cook it. All right. At some point we're gonna get a pullback. And just look for that pullback if you miss it. Let me go out a little bit more here. That's how we trade. How much we trade MSDR. We are this level here. Done, right? So we know that we at this level, we broke this level here. Let's go out a little bit more here. This resistance here, right? It's a little one right there. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3. We got some here where it breaks down here on the 19th, which is yesterday, right? 2 days ago, Wednesday, right? So that's where you got to look for MSDR here, through this area here. I know I won't take a trade until here because this is where we have it. And there's a gap inside here, okay? So I'll look for this level now, right? If you're gonna scalp it, you'll scalp it through here to here with the momentum going up, right? But I would just wait and just watch, right? We're coming off this level here, right? I know there's a neckline here, right? And I'm pretty sure there's a neckline here from a couple of days. And we're gonna bring that over here, continue that gap, right? So that would identify me up at this level. We're getting into this gap to go higher. All right. As you could see, overbought, getting rejected at this resistance here. All right. So if it's going to go higher, we got to get through here, and there's a gap up here. Okay. So let it go. I would look for a pullback. If it doesn't pull back and continue to run, you have some opportunity there. All right, so MSTR, bring that up there. This would be a short. And I will hit that one and change that to a green, anything over that top there. And then we just have a neckline here that needs to break back down, either or. Came back down here through the VWAP, you have an opportunity here, but it has to be committed to the downside for you to get an opportunity there. Right back here, target, right back down. Okay? But for now, this is what MSTR look like. All right, nothing yet. Oh man, we missed this one. MNDR. MNDR. We're waiting for that. We're waiting for that. If it pulls back a little bit, I could try it. That's pretty close here. There we go. I'll put some in there just to hold it. First way on this side. Gotta be fast with these things here. Pull back one more time. Right in between there. Come on. Pull back one more time. Nope. Nope. Come on. One more time. There you go. Should take it now. Should be able to take it now. It's right there. Nope, didn't take it. Be my stop loss. It didn't take it. It gave me some opportunities, didn't it? It's right there. Come on. Nope, not grabbing it at all. So, come on. Just don't want to give it. All right. If you see anything, let me know, guys. MNDR. MLGO, let's see what that's going on here. Sitting on view up. Scanning, scanning. Nothing in can right now. 183 up here on can. 183. No volume though. Anybody keep eye on SMCI? SMCI, right? Keep eye on SMCI. Having some resistance trouble there. Watch coin pulling back, right? Watch coin pulling back. Riot. Riot 12. Watch Riot at 12. Riot at 12. Watch Riot at 12. You could do that at some point today. There's some support here. Support. Shut in there. Let's watch those levels. 1165 and 12 on RIOT, right? Okay. Okay. Scanning here, nothing. Nothing. And C, nothing. We'll probably get something coming in at 8:30 here. CR AB, nothing. $496. Got a channel here in between here, 496, 483. No volume though. No volume. No volume. No volume. We need volume for them for these stocks to break higher. SMCI. Keep an eye on SMCI though. 6080 on SMCI. And ASS, nothing going on with that. QBTS, QUBTS, Lenze, how you doing? Sometime I'll wait for a pullback like MMDR. I was waiting on MNDR. QBTS. Um, I gotta see the levels first, Lens Sander, right? I'll put a limit order, like say for this order here, 779, right? Right. We put it at 780, right? Right. I want to see the momentum take me through this level here. And as the momentum is coming up to break this level here, I want to take it here, right? And still we got 2 minutes before this candle finish. This 2 minutes could take us through this 80 and then the next candle open up. I want to see where the next candle open up. If it's open up higher and the momentum is higher, then I'll go in. Take me through it. And then I'm looking for 10 cents. Say if I'm looking for 10 cents, that would be my target there, right? I would enter with the momentum coming up, boom, straight into that target area, come out with 3/4 of my trade if I'm looking for 10 cents, okay? So there's several ways you could go. You could wait for a pullback and then wait for the pullback with the momentum and go in, right? That's one way you could do it. But I like to play the strength of the stock on that wick. Like we got 1 minute left. 1 minute for this level here, this 780. Right? All right. You're waiting. Boom. Okay. If it doesn't go, down, down. All right. Right. So you need, my stop loss would be right here, underneath the bottom of this candle here. Not giving it much, right? So you're risking 10 cents to make 10 cents, a 1-to-1, right? Risk ratio. If I'm gonna risk 10 cents, yeah, my 10 cent stop loss. Okay. LTRY, QBTS. I trade over those as this. A stock like this, I could use 4K quantity, right? Right? It's gonna run me about 30K, right? So I have over more than 30K in an account to trade on a stock like this. Could pick up 4,000 shares, can pick up 2,000 shares, 1,000 shares. That's how I trade these momentum stocks. Because I'm looking for a quick hit and out. I'm not looking to hold these for a long time. Sometime you may get in 3/4 out and then leave a partial. I'll leave a partial, let it run. But other than that, I'm mostly depends on the price and the spread too. So sometimes these momentum stock, the spread are like 30 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents. So you just got to watch out for the spread. 5K or 10K, I'll be using seven. If I'm using 5K, I'll use 2,000 or 1,000. If I'm using 10K, I will use 3,000 of that 10K. Nothing more, nothing less. And that's how I will keep that. Green every day for sure. Um, check out the 250 trading day. There's videos on it on TikTok and on YouTube. So nothing here at the moment, so you would wait, right? New sets of eyes, you need it up. So if I'm gonna go long, I gotta get it through here. This 780 gotta go through this QBTS, right? Go back to MNDR for a moment so you could see what I'm talking about. See, we break through, but there's that pullback, right? We need that momentum to take us through that. All right? Here we have this neckline here, and it's sitting on the neckline here, right? But look how choppy this in this area here. Needs to get over that. So if I'm looking to come in, there's a pullback here. I need to see it bounce down here at some point, right? Say for instance, right here, or at the VWAP. I'm using the previous candle, always, or maybe the next one sometimes, all right? I use the previous candle. And sometimes this previous candle could be that candle. So you don't have to use it, all of it, for your stop loss. You could use half of it, right? Because I don't want the stock to give, say for instance, I get into this stock here, right? At this level, right? And it was going, and it pulled back, right? I could use the VWAP as a shield for it because it came in, sit on the VWAP. So I'll be underneath this level here. Say for instance, I'm going off this candle, right? And this candle come up. I'll be using this as a shield. And then I will be not knocked out. I'll be still in the trade, even though it pulled back a little bit. I'm still protected by this VWAP, and I'll be still in this trade. All right? So now that it's up here now, and I'm above the VWAP now, right? I still could use that if that's how you want to spend your stop loss, right? Right? This is what's almost 69, right? And this level is what, 72, so about a 3 cents. If that's what you want to spend for your stop loss, then you could do that, right? Keep it this way, but if I'm trading, I'm just trying to minimize my loss. So I'm gonna keep it real tight, right? Previous candle, the bottom of it, right? Or it all depends. I could go back and find a level earlier in the day, right? And go back and look for a level where I won't. Depends on my risk reward ratio, right? 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 1 to 1, right? Risk 2 to make 3, risk 2 to make 4, risk 2 to make 5, all right? So now that we have some rejection here, I'll be stopped out at this level here. And then wait for another opportunity of a volume coming in, okay? Again, if I was giving it more, then here, I'll be still in the trade, even though I went here and it pulls back, right? I'm not knocked out yet. The trade is still alive. And all I need now is volume to come in and take us higher. Copy? RGTI. We could look at that. Okay, here. That was the stop loss here, right? Boom. We're sitting on this level here. We need to break through this 1170. Now, if I want to give it more of a stop loss, I come underneath the VWAP and I go to the lowest candle where I could give that, and it would be this one right here. Okay? And it's underneath the VWAP. See if it come in, use the VWAP as support, which some stock do. Use VWAP support like right here, right? Came down, didn't quite touch it, but It's above the VWAP. $0.20, right? All the way till 12, right? So I'm risking 20 cents to make 30 cents, right? So that's how you got to do that, buddy. Well, limit order in pre-market. Once you place the limit order, it's gonna buy. It's gonna buy it. Okay. So you got to be ready. You know, some platform you could put it in and let it sit and fill. On Webull, once I put that limit order in, it's automatically gonna buy. So you could put take profit, all of that. If you have those indicators set up like that, for sure. Absolutely. Excuse me one moment. Allergy. One moment. Sorry, guys. Different platform do different things. So it all depends on what you're using. All right. Welcome, welcome. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Come on into our Discord. Come in and join me. If you look between these two, myself and these two balloons here, you'll find the Zoom meeting and the passcode. Come on in, man. Let's chop it up. We're chopping it up in here in the chat here on YouTube too. So Lady Sander just asking about the take profit and stop loss. So that's my strategy, as I explained. Okay, but thank you for asking. I like the stock to come to me. I don't very seldom I try to fight the stock. Fight in the market, that's not what I want to do. Okay. I let the chart speak to me. Okay. DJT. We haven't seen anything yet. DJT is rolling right now. So DJT pull back here, right? That was a nice break, but it pulled back, right? See, that's a nice break there. And then right there would be a stop loss for me, right? This break right here. And then let it run because I'm going off this level here. It's big support level, right? And you're gonna need some volume to take you through this DJT through this 2860, right? It went up to 29 on that spike. And look, we just break this level here, the 80-20 on the RSI, overbought. So we're in overbought territory already, right? So I don't have anything previous candle here, which is nothing. I'm not going to give that long of a stop loss, right? So I want to tighten up my stop loss. So I went all the way over here yesterday to find a level that I could give it a stop loss. And these levels are tight right here. Look at this support. Look at that right there. It has to be tight, right? if I'm going to try to scalp it through this level here. Okay. I could give it to here, right back there, between this candle and this, right? I'm utilizing this, right? This candle here, big support level, have trouble. That would be 2030. That's a 30 cents, right? And this is almost 60 cents from here. 30 cents, 30 cents from here to 90, right? 28.90. So there you go, right? It's already up, right? So you need some volume in this to break through to get that 30 cents like it did right there, right? So that's DJT. That's how I would trade that, okay? And then as soon as it go higher, I bring my stop loss up to the bottom of this candle here, right? I got 1 minute and 40 seconds left on this candle to finish to see where the next candle open up. Overbought, right? Boom, trade, bam. Okay, there you go. We call that damage control, right? Bam. With the right shear size, bam, right? Just know that you're going to be in and out on that. And now that it's up there, you want to bring your stop loss up. There you go, right? But you missed the train, you missed the train. I'm not going to chase now, right? You missed it. The next break, let's go back out a little bit. The next break and resistance. There you go. Right here. We got a little bit here, but look at this level through here. Big resistance, right? So that would be the 29.05 here, right? There's another level inside here, 29.21, and then over the top here, right? That would be the next resistance. So this is where I would do, if you're going to look at DJT, right? Support here. Bring this down. Target. If I'm looking in at it, okay? And then this would be the next level. Got to be broken to the upside. As you could see, it's coming up, right? That's on 30 minutes. Overbought. Remember, we overbought. So you're going to need volume to take this over this 29, right? You want to scalp it over 29? Just know that you're going to need to scalp it over 29, right? And how much you're going to risk? 40 cents? Are you going to risk that? Okay. 20 cents, right? This candle alone is what? 2044 to the top. 29, 28.44, 8.99. Okay. How much you gonna risk? Half? 20 cents, 30 cents? What you want to do? Okay. And again, overbought. So look for the pullback. As you could see, the pullback here on the RSI, right? So anything over 29 now, say if I'm coming in into DJT, okay, I could look to take a trade and a scalp through this 29 because it's an even number. I like even numbers. I'll take a scalp with momentum coming back up. But if not, I'll wait, right? I'll wait till the next one. All right, which that major resistance here. at 29.65. And all I need is volume to take us higher. All right. So that's how I would set up on VJT. Copy? All right. Nobody let me know about SMCI. SMCI broke. SMCI broke. There she goes. Now your stop loss is gonna come in. If you were part of SMCI, right? $61.09, there's a target and resistance, right? There's another target here. SMCI. Stop loss, right? Keep going. So that was a trade there on SMCI, if you guys were watching that, right? IONQ, watching that level there, right? Using that VWAP support here, right? It's just staying in this channel, right? Pressure is pushing down though, resistance. Pressure is putting down, okay? We need volume to break higher. But SMCI, man, what a break if you guys were watching it. Nice. I love those. Those are the ones that I take straight, boom, solid, 3/4 out into the strength of the stock to the upside. We'll make it up, right? Find that short level here. Trying to find support here on NASS, VMAR. On the way back down, right? Underneath this $1 here. Can't get through here, rejected. Right? UNG. Got a VWAP trade right here. There's a gap there. There's a gap here. You want to keep eye on that. It's in the gap. All right. So boom. Gap. VWAP break. It gapped up over that, right? So you're inside this gap. You need volume to break through this gap and then get over here, right? So if you wasn't a part of this UNGA, anybody that is trading it, or you're just looking at it now, right? If you wasn't part of this trade here, this was a nice breakthrough, this level here, back up, boom, towards VWAP. That would have been a target. Take 3/4 out and let the rest ride, right? Then you got a little gap inside here, right? You got to fill that gap. This candle took care of all of that. These little gaps here, this candle alone. Take care of all these little gaps in here. This one candle, pop up. Took care of that. So now it just need a smooth transition to come up, and up. All right. On UNG, natural gas. I'll just put alert there at that 40. See what that's all about. What's going on in HOLO? Nothing right now. We're still in that range, that channel, right? Still in that channel. Broke this level on MU, micron. This level, test this level now, right? We got this level. So if you're looking at MU, you got to watch this level here. Target towards the top. Level in between. Big support here on the way back down. The resistance. This was a resistance going up. Break through that resistance here. There once. Once. It break, but pull right back. Twice. Try that. Now here. The momentum keep coming. 104.30. Keep eye on that. PLTR. Wow, look at that spike down on PLTR. Back. And just check in here and then go back here. So I'll be watching this here, right? I'll be watching this here at this level here. Okay, we're gonna need some volume to get to this 108.50, right? And that's where I'll be looking at to take this trade since we're having some trouble here, right? If I look here, there's another one here too. All right. Look at that. So I know this is going to be an area of interest for me if I'm looking at PLTR, right? This here, 1, 2, right? There's the bottom on the first one here. There you go. So I'm looking to go short here. If I miss this one, here's the second one down here of this one here. Okay. So that's how I'm looking, and I'm treating PLTR if I'm looking at PLTR. Need some volume to get in to break higher and higher. If not, I'm watching this level to the downside, right back down, right? Say we get some resistance here at the 70 RSI, we don't get over it, and we start to pull right back down, okay? We'll pull right back down, back to support, right? There's one here, double bottom down here, which is so tiny inside here, right? If it's gonna break this double bottom here, right back down. Okay. Look at double bottom here, right in this area here. So that's how I'll be looking at PLTR. Bitcoin didn't break 100,000 yet, up almost $1,200 on Bitcoin. So keep eye on Bitcoin trying to break 100,000 today when the market opened. All right. That's gonna do it for me. I want to thank you guys so much, man. Happy Friday. Okay. Um, if you'd like to see me do this again, just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, let you know when we do go live, okay? Hit the thumbs up. Also, go ahead, follow me on all social media, guys, at the Zen Zone 01, okay? And if you like, just come on into our store, okay? I dropped this link right here in the chat. Just click on it. Look at the website. We got some merch in there, the Zen merch. You could find some. Looking to add more to it to the store. We get that going. If you like, I got some t-shirts here. I got hats. Hold on. I got hats. I got hoodies. Okay. All different type of colors. If you want to personalize it, just let us know in the email, right? At the zenzone.us. Just let us know you want to personalize it. Okay. And we got all personalized cups. If you want cups, we could personalize that as well. T-shirt, we could personalize that as well. You just got to let us know. We do anything that you want us to do as long it's in our control on what you want, right? So we got hats, we got hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got shoes. Definitely. We got it all. We're just trying to have stuff that you guys would like, and if you have any suggestion, just email us. All right. At the zenzone.us. And I'm open to any suggestion, guys. If you like to see a shirt. I got the 5 keys out there, the Zen 5 keys, which is of trading, consistency, discipline, confidence, patience, and you got to have the passion for it. And that's just mine. There's other ones out there that you could, if you want one with your own saying on it, just email us and we could put it together for you. And then you could go in and purchase it after into the store. So we do this. Enjoy your weekend. We'll be back Monday at 7. Come on in. If you'd like to join us, hit the Discord. Okay. Come on into the Discord. You want to come into our VIP from 9 to 12. Here's the link here. That's the link. Just come on in. Join us. Okay. We trade the live market from 9 pre-market. We analyze market, set up our stocks, and then we go live at 9:30. So if that's something you want to do, or if you want to come in to the Zoom on the momentum stocks, the links are between my these 2 balloons here, right? And I'll get the link and I'll put that passcode in there for you, and we'll be able to do that. Come on in. All right. Enjoy your weekend. Rob, I'll see you over on the VIP section, okay?
Okay, all right. Bye.
All right. Get set up for the opening of the market. Thank you guys so much. Bless. Enjoy your weekend. See you guys on Monday. So here's the code. Let me move this way. Here's the code there. Just copy that. Screenshot it. Come on in. Monday, 7 a.m. to 8:30. Okay, there go the passcode.